You'll be hated if you can't be manipulated. Most of the time, we are afraid to lose people, right? Na parang when we lose people, hindi tayo magaling. Maybe you feel that you are not a good coach or mentor pag nawalan ka ng tao. But the problem with that is, what if you are leading the wrong people? Baka kaya hindi mo ma-attract yung mga tamang tao kasi hindi mo kilala sarili mo, hindi mo mahal ang sarili mo. At paano mo makikilala yung sarili mo if you will try to please people? Because you have to understand that the progress that you want in your life is in the conversations you are trying to avoid. So since you are trying to please people, you are avoiding being honest to them. Natotolerate mo yung disrespect. And we call it sacrifice. But the reality is, it's not sacrifice. It's being stupid. Nothing wrong if you want to sacrifice for your team if you love them. But you have to make sure that they deserve your love.